Hi ladies, stampers. I've tried today to update some stuff on my website and my internet woes continue. I know you're all tired of hearing about it and I'm tired of trying to work around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a quick little newsletter in a video. So I'm going to tell you what will be in my web postings if I can get it posted, and if I can't, then I'll just be able to have a little sentence and say here it is. So it will be on my website if it can be, and if it can't, then it's just here. I sent out a little email today referring you to my website and to my Facebook. Facebook's the easiest because I can do it from my phone in little blips, but it's not cohesive because it's not all together. So I'm just going to go through it here because October's the beginning of a Stampin' Up! New Year. So they have a bunch of stuff, and then I had some stuff. So there's lots of stuff. So I'm just going to go through it real quick for you. First camp is next Friday. Not this coming week, but next week. And I'm going to try a Saturday night. I know I sent out one of the prizes for that I sent out for different things with some camp passes. So I'm going to make sure that I have room if you're interested in coming. So I thought about, I can't do a Saturday morning because October's crazy busy. We're going on vacation, and so we're missing 2 Saturdays. So that hacked out, half my Saturdays. So I'm going to try Friday night at 7 and then Saturday night at 6 p.m. But here's the thing. If you want to come Saturday night, I will do it if I have at least 4 people. But I need you to RSVP by, if you're coming Saturday, to let me know by this Thursday. Otherwise, I'm taking it off the calendar so I can make other plans. I need Saturday during the day to run errands and get ready for all of the other stuff I have upcoming. Friday's a definite, so it was raining when I went out to get the mail. That's what happens when you can see yourself in the camera. So that's camp. It's lots of fun. If you're in the Indy area, come and join us sometime. It's super fun. Everybody's super nice. The projects, if you've not stamped before, we do 6 projects, but you don't have to finish them. So if you've not stamped before and you get overwhelmed, you can just pick the 4 that you like, the 3 that you like. You can take, a lot of times people take them home and finish them up at home if there's coloring, or they stick them all together at home. Even when us demonstrators get together, we often just take them home and stick them together. So whatever level you're at, if I can't help you, whoever you're sitting next to, it's always fun when you've been a couple of times and then a new person comes and next thing you know, you're the expert. So everybody's super helpful. So that's camp. Another thing is World Card Making Day is this coming Saturday. So right now there's some specials. I'm going to try to get the flyer posted so you can see what the specials are. Stampin' Up! Is running those, so there is a flyer, and I'll try to get those up. Then right now, I don't have the host code up because I haven't been able to. My hotspot only lets me have like 1 tab open at a time before it goes so slow I can't do anything. So I have to have my Stampin' Up! Site open to get an order started so I can copy the host code and save it to get it over there. So I'm going to try to get that done, but it works better in the evening when my Wi-Fi seems to be, my hotspot seems to be a little better. I will get the host code up. This month, when you spend $50, you will get the $50 gift this month is an assortment of 4x6 papers from the holiday catalog. So it's not like a true, when I do a paper share, normally it's 6x6, but these are 4x6, so it's card sized. And it will be random papers. You'll get a nice package of them, but they'll be card sized so I can fit them in a regular envelope. So that is the $50. Hopefully next week when I have Wi-Fi, I'll be able to post a little spread of them. But you'll have a bunch of the little papers, including some of the black foil and the galvanized. So it'll be a nice little assortment of paper for you to use and to see what you like. Maybe if you haven't picked your Christmas card design, you'll see if there's a paper that you like, and you might like it that way. Also, the first 2 online orders that I get this month that use the host code on my online store that are $100 or more. You may remember last October, Stampin' Up! Gave the Myriad patterns, and I still have them, brand new. So these, I think you had to be a hostess and maybe turn in like a $300 order. My first 2 people who place $100 orders will get one of these free. So you'll get the $50 thank you gift from me. And I did the paper share, so this month I don't have to worry about back orders, because whatever paper I have, I'll mix it all up. You'll get some frosted florals, you'll get some of the farmhouse paper, you'll get just a random assortment of paper, and it won't be on back order. So I can send you the gifts as you place your orders instead of having to wait. So if you place a $100 order, the first 2 people, so if you have something ready, place it and you'll get paper and you'll get a free stamp set. So this is super cute. The candles, I really liked them. I did use one of the sets, so I had got a few of them last year, but first 2 will get these. So place your order soon. So that's World Card Making Day. It's online orders. Next thing, vote for videos. I'm gonna place an order probably, this is Tuesday, probably gonna place an order on Wednesday. I'm gonna get a couple more Christmas sets. So if there is a video you would like for me to do on YouTube, a Christmas set out of the holiday catalog that you would like for me to feature, then you can vote for it in the comments if you're watching on YouTube, or in the comments if you're watching on Facebook. If you're watching on my website, then run over to Facebook and vote for it there. I'm open to suggestions. I think I might get the ornament set, because if you watched my Facebook Live, you saw one of my friend's cards. I still might get the truck set. I don't have that. I do have the nativity set. I'm trying to think of the ones that I have that you might not know that I have, because I haven't done the videos to them yet. I have the Santa set, so I'm going to be working on a video of that. I have Winter Woods. I'm not going to get the Blizzard set, so don't request that, because there is an upcoming set in November that is super beautiful. I will have an Artistry inspired online class for that. You will have to order it from me. It's available. It's kind of like the blended seasons, where you have to order it in November, but there's white velvet paper in it. Yay. And the nice thing is, it's a snowflake set, but there's a 2-part stamp set, kind of like what I'm going to show you next with the Making Everyday Bright. So there's snowflakes, but then there's also a second stamp set that cuts out flowers and stuff of it, so you can use it year round. But I will have an Artistry inspired class for just the snowflake part. And then you can opt to buy the second stamp set if you like. But it's while supplies last, and I fully expect that the white velvet paper will sell out. So I'm not going to let the class stay open for very long. So you will, and I will be leaving for Orlando on November 4th. So you will have from October 31st to November 3rd to order it, and then after that the class is closed. So it'll be super, super fast, and I'm going to show you this Artistry inspired, and then I have Winter Woods coming. So watching this, you will at least understand my Artistry inspired classes, and it'll kind of let you know what to expect. But it's similar enough to the Blizzard stamp set that I'm not going to get the Blizzard one. But vote. If there's a stamp set that you would like me to try, I'm open to suggestions. I don't know if I want the farmhouse one, the ornament one. The bow one kind of intrigues me. So I do have the Santa one. So if there's one, you know, I'm open to suggestions. If you come to camp, let me know which ones you'd like to try at camp, if there's one you want to see a camp project with. So vote for videos. That's my new thing. So I have Artistry inspired. If you sign up, I have a sign up special. If you sign up, I wrote it down because I knew that I would forget. If you sign up, I'm on the wrong page, that's why I can't see it. If you sign up by, I don't even know where I wrote it, by Thursday morning. So sign up by Thursday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then you will get a holiday catalog Try It Club of assorted ribbons. Again, I'm avoiding back order issues. There's some great ribbons in this catalog. The Merlot ribbon, is super, super beautiful. That black organdy ribbon, super, super beautiful. The striped burlap, super beautiful. So there's some fun ribbons. So if you sign up for my class that I'm going to show you now, there's still a little bit of confusion on how they work. So what it is, I'm going to show you what it is. So you buy the bundle. I'm going to show you what you buy. You buy the bundle of the stamp sets and the punch for how much you would pay for them out of the catalog. So if you bought this out of the catalog, you would pay for what you pay. The only difference is if you don't live in Indiana, you pay Indiana sales tax and shipping because it comes to me. So you buy this and it comes to me. Then you buy, so that's the Making Christmas Bright bundle with the ball builder. You buy Making Everyday Bright. And it comes to me. And then you buy these two stamp pads, the Merlot and the Spruce. And if you already have these colors, then you just tell me 2 other colors. If you already have all of the new stamp pads, which I can't believe that you all have all of them. Maybe you're crazy like me and you already bought them all, but I can't believe. And these are 2 new colors, so you'd have to have bought all of the brand new colors. But if you already have these, then you just tell me 2 other stamp pad colors that you would like when you sign up for the class. If you already do have all of them, then you just pick 2 other items that are $7.50 and under. You just still pay the exact same for class. So if it's $7.50 and under, and then if you pick something that's $7, then you still pay the class price. So this is what you're paying for. This. So exactly what this costs rounded, because I rounded it, because it just makes it easier. So when you hit the little PayPal link, even if you don't have PayPal, if you've never used PayPal, PayPal's safe, secure. You just plug in your email address and you can use your credit card. You don't have to have a PayPal account to pay someone. To get paid, you have to have a PayPal account. So it is, it's like $66 for this from Stampin' Up. And then there's the shipping, which is like $6.60, so around $7. And then there's the Indiana sales tax, which is around $7. So that's around 82-ish, like 82 and some change. And then you pay, that all comes to me. So you've paid $82, and then you pay another $7 in priority mail padded flat rate shipping, because I get those padded flat rate. So $87. So this is what you've paid for, which is what you would pay from Stampin' Up if you were ordering it from a demonstrator and they were sending it to you. And I need the padded flat rate because the punches are heavy. So even if I didn't do priority mail, it would be more than that because it's heavier than that. So then when you pay for that, you get free from me this copper shimmer paint, which is $8. You get one of the little Stampy Misters, which is like $2. And this is, when I say $8, it'd really be $8 plus 80 cents plus sales tax. So it'd be like $9.50, because I'm just telling you the catalog price. So then you get one of these, you get this. Oh, I had a dauber. You get one little sponge dauber. That's all free. And then you get some of my ribbons missing. I had some copper, here it is. Oh no, that's my whole spool. You don't get a whole spool. I think my cat, if you watched earlier, my cat was part of my Facebook Live. But you get a piece of this, you don't get the whole spool. But you get 3 envelopes. You get all of the supplies to make 3 cards. Which this is all of the supplies less the ribbon because it's laying on the table. So all of the cardstock, all of the embellishment, all of this is free. So it's kind of like you come to my camps and you spend $65 and camp is free. So you bought all of that for $87. But you get all this free, plus you get the free stuff. Because when you come to my camp, I'm not giving you all this stuff free. Sometimes I give them free stuff, depending on how much they spend. So probably at $87, they would get something free. So you get that, and pretend there's a dauber and some more ribbon and 3 envelopes. My envelopes, they are laying here somewhere. So it doesn't qualify you for a host code special because I used the free stuff from when I ordered this to get all this free stuff. So it's separate from the host code. Because you just tell me you're participating and I put all this in one order together. So then you get this, and then depending on how you want it, or both, you can have both, you get either a link to a private Facebook group or a private, 3 private YouTube videos. And from there, then you will have the videos to make 3 cards, and I'm going to show them to you super fast because usually they're a surprise. So there is a Christmas card, and they're all decorated on the inside. If there's a big shot used on them, then when you get your pieces, they will actually be punched or big shotted out, unless it's the bulb builder. And there's a fall card. And then there is another Christmas card. So like that one had a big shot piece, so it will already be rolled through. And the stamps are clear, so when you stamp them, you will need your own blocks, obviously, to mount your stamps on, and you will need a black pad, so any black pad, and then you'll need like some coloring mechanisms for the fall card, but it doesn't matter if you have blends, if you have watercolor pencils, if you have the Stampin' Right markers, any of those will work on that. So that's how it works. So then you just tune into the videos at your leisure whenever you want, and then you make the cards with me along on the video. Through December 1st for this class. The pages will stay open, and I will help you with the any questions and answers that you have to help you finish your cards. I think that's about it. Sometimes once the catalogs are close to being finished, like maybe 2 or 3 weeks before the end of the holiday catalog, I do make the links public just so I can maybe sell a few more sets. So the videos may or may not stay private forever, but nobody's going to have time to order and make these projects. They're, for class purposes, they are yours to stay. So, and I don't sell just the class. You have to get the stuff to take part in the class. So once again, it's $87, and all you're actually paying for are the class supplies. And when you pay the PayPal link, there's a little place for a note in there, and you just tell me if you already have the stamp pads, and that's it. So that's the Artistry Inspired. There is a Winter Woods one coming up that will be the last half of October into November, and then I will do the last one of the year. There may be one, a birthday one that comes up sometime in December, and then I will kick off one with a celebration and occasions catalog in late December. So those are my Artistry Inspired. So that is my email and my blog posts all condensed into a video, so I don't have to spend a ton of time on my hotspot. So next week, hopefully my online life will be back to normal. But for now, have a nice night. Bye.